asset that has maintained its allure for millennia, and I'm talking about the timeless and ever-radiant gold. Gold has been a symbol of wealth and a store of value since ancient times. People tend to turn to gold in times of economic uncertainty because gold maintains its intrinsic value, unlike paper currency or other assets. It doesn't rust, corrode, or decay, and there's a limited supply, all of which contribute to its status as a reliable store of value. Moreover, gold is known for its negative correlation with stocks. That means gold prices often move in the opposite direction when stock prices go down. This makes it an effective tool for hedging against market downturns. As we survey the landscape of the current gold market, we see that it's been holding firm in the face of the ongoing bear market. Investors are flocking towards the safety of gold, which has driven its price upward. However, it's also important to note that while gold is generally resilient during